Hello, welcome back once again. Let us solve this interesting cubic equation in seconds. But the question here is, how are we going to get started? We have k cubed minus 3k is equal to 4 root 7. And in this video, we're going to solve for both real and complex solutions. So let's get started. Let us use the idea that a root a is simply equal to a root a is simply equal to square root of a cubed, right? Is that true? You know this is the same as a squared times a, so square root of a will give us a, and then so this is obviously true, okay? And we can as well write this as the square root of a whole cubed. So we're expecting something similar to this at the right hand side. So what are we going to do? Now we need to write this right hand side in this form where the number under the radical is equal with the coefficient. You can see here we have different numbers. So we have 4 here and we have 7 here. So actually we need to obtain 7 roots of 7 because we have a perfect cubed here. So this is going to be k cubed minus 3k is equal to, so if we wish to have 7 roots of 7 here, then this equation is not equal with this equation. So what do we do to this right hand side to balance this equation? We have to subtract 3 roots of 7. You get the idea? Okay, so now you can see we have a coefficient of k here is 3, we have a coefficient of 3 here. So I think everything is balancing up. So let's take this term to the left hand side and also this time to the left hand side. We're going to group this as follow. Here we have k cubed minus 7 root of 7, okay? And here minus 3k, here this will become positive 3 root of 7, and this is equal to 0. Remember that this can be expressed in the form square root of a cubed. So this is going to be k cubed minus, it will be same as square root of 7 whole cubed, and then minus 3, then into bracket this will be k minus root of 7. So this is equal to 0. So here we're going to use the difference of two cubes formula here. So we have that a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. So here this becomes k minus root of 7 into bracket k squared plus root 7k, right? And then plus 7 root 7 squared will give us just 7. And then minus 3 into bracket k minus root of 7, this is equal to 0. So we can see that k minus root 7 is common. So let's factor it out. So we have k minus root of 7. Then into brackets, we are left with this one here, k squared plus root of 7k plus 7, and then minus 3 is left here. So this is equal to 0. So if k minus root 7 is equal to 0, then it implies that k is equal to root of 7. So this is our real solution. And for this part, we have k squared plus root of 7k plus 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So this is equal to 0. So here we use the general quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. We get k will be equal to negative b will be negative root of 7 plus or minus square root of b squared will be root of 7 squared, giving us 7 minus 4ac will be 4 times 1 times 4, giving us 16, and then divided by 2a, which is 2. So here we get k is equal to negative root of 7, so plus or minus. So 7 minus 16 here is going to give us negative 9. So square root of negative 9 will give us 3i, then divided by 2. So you can see from here we have two complex solutions. And here we have the only real solution. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe. Also like, comment, and share.